In today's video, I'll show you on how you can increase your spending limit on Atome. Now, this is going to be really simple. You want to head over to the Atome application that you have on your device. And to increase your spending limit, we have multiple options. You want to click on the Manage Card button, click on the Increase Spending Limit, and from here you could do multiple steps to simply increase your spending limit on Atome. In my case, I currently have around 51,000 pesos, and if you scroll down, you have multiple tasks that you can do to increase or unlock higher limit for your spending limit. Basically, to make it simple, all you have to do is to use your Atome card, and you don't want to miss any payment. As much as possible, you want to pay early, avoid paying on due dates, and from there it will automatically increase your Atome spending limit like what I have right here. Now in my case, I didn't do any tasks to get this spending limit. All I did is to pay early, use my Atome as much as I can, and you want to make sure that you have a good credit history on your banks, because in some cases they can go ahead and have record of your transaction on different banks. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.